Hi, my name is Alan Chow, and my project is on inequalities with variables on both sides. So given the equation 3p plus 6 is less than 1p minus 2, you're going to first want to isolate the variable. So you're going to move the 1p to the left side of the equation. So we're going to get 2p plus 6 is less than negative 2. And for the next step, you want to move the 6 over to the right side of the equation. So 2p is less than negative 6 minus 2, which is negative 8. And for the final step, you're going to divide negative 8 by 2, and you're going to get negative 4. And typically, if there was a negative sign in front of the number in front of the variable, you're actually going to have to switch the sign around. So if it was a negative 2p, it would actually be p is greater than 4. And to graph this on the number line, you're going to move the arrow this way, less than negative 4. Thank you, and that's my project.